On Friday, a Dane County judge ruled Wisconsin's collective bargaining reform law is unconstitutional. Judge Juan Colas said it violates workers' freedoms of speech and association. Immediately following the ruling, union supporters held a rally in front of the Capitol.
MTI, you're back in business.
And speakers let the public know who the unions choose to associate with, like Karl Marx.
There was a wise and dedicated organizer who said this once about unions. Apart from their original purposes, they must now learn to act deliberately as organizing centers for the entire working class. They must aid every social and political movement. Considering themselves and acting as the champions and representatives of working people everywhere, they cannot fail to enlist them into their ranks. They must convince the world at large that their efforts, far from being narrow and selfish, aim at the emancipation of downtrodden millions. That is as true today as it was when Karl Marx said it back in 1866.
There was also a living radical present at the rally, Jeremy Ryan, also known as Segway Boy. His most recent claim to fame is gloating over a longtime Capitol reporter's death in front of the man's daughter.
Wheeler's dead, didn't call the cops, but she's a sissy and feels she has to. I'm singing, yeah. Well, you know what? His daughter's calling the cops on us for free speech. His daughter's calling the cops on us for free speech.
Speech here.
Learn free speech, Jason.
Union supporters were proud to have Jeremy on their side.
I want to let you know, Jeremy Ryan is standing back here on a Segway, and he really deserves a thank you from all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
With their victory in court on Friday, these union supporters plan to continue the fight for their ideology.
It's time to get together and think big, because we got a world to win and nothing to lose but Wall Street.
The state will appeal Judge Colas' ruling. The Wisconsin Supreme Court has already upheld the collective bargaining reform law once before. For the MacIver Institute, I'm Bill Osmulski.